Hello, and welcome to the overview of the data trending feature in Insights into Data. This video will take you through how you can trend your information in memory data tables across date fields and see how your data values are changing over time. In order to use this feature, you will need at least two in-memory data tables in Insights into Data. Although the more you have, the better your trending graph will be. So, as the first step, let's run an Insights query that will bring in data from our sample database and split it by month, giving us 6 different in-memory tables. Once you have the tables and Insights, you can start the trending process by clicking on the Trend Multiple Tables button in the upper right area of the Insights ribbon bar. It is a button with a red and blue line chart on it. On the trending selection screen, you will first need to select the tables you want to include in the trending process. In this case, we will select them all. When that is done, you can click the Populate Fields buttons to have the program fill in all the fields in the above list boxes. Next, you need to tell the program what are the key fields you want to trend on. In this case, we will select the first 3 fields: city, category name, and product name. The values of these 3 fields will be combined to show in the legend of the trending chart. The next thing we need to do is to select the date field that the information will be trended over. In this example, we only have one date field in the tables, which is called Order Year Month. After that, we need to indicate what fields, numeric only, that we want to use for the trending values. In this case, we will select the quantity and unit price fields. The final part that you might want to do is to add in some description fields to the grid that will show on the trending chart screen. This is useful if the key fields you chose are not very descriptive. These description fields can help you easily identify which values you want to graph. Once you have everything configured the way you want it, you can hit the Trend button in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. The trending results and charting screen is now shown. The screen is broken down into 3 parts. The first part is the grid on the left-hand side. This displays all the trending information, with the key fields on the left of the grid, followed by any description fields, and then the actual values. The second part is the charting area on the right-hand side. As you click on items in the grid to the left, the values will be automatically charted in this area, creating line charts to show you how those values are trending over the date field that you chose. The first area is configuration area at the bottom that contains the trending field dropdown and some buttons to delete selected line charts, clear all lines, and close the form. It is the trending field that allows you to choose which values you want to trend when you click on the grid above. Let's go ahead and click on a few rows in the grid so that you can see how this process works. As you can see, as you click on the grid on the left, it automatically adds the lines to the chart on the right. If you hover your mouse over any of the joints in the chart, you will see a pop-up legend showing the key field values and the trending value at that point in time. This is a great way to see how your data is changing over time. We have been trending the quantity values, but let's take a look at how easy it is to switch to the unit price values. Simply go down the trending field in the lower left and choose unit price from the drop-down. As normal, all our charts have the ability to print and export the chart, which is available here via the button bar at the top of the chart. You can also change the chart type to bar charts, pie charts, etc. But in this case, the line chart makes the best visual for trending. When you are done trending your data, you can close the screens by clicking on the close buttons in the lower right-hand corner. I hope this has given you a decent overview of how the data trending feature can work for you and how easy it is to use. As this is a new feature, we look forward to hearing any feedback you may want to provide.